Hi guys, in front of me is TCL 408 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. At first open the settings, then find and select home screen and lock screen, and here click on wallpapers at the top of the list. Now choose the picture that you wish to cover your screen with and just tap on allow. Here you can see how it will look on your home and lock screen, and once you want to set it up, just tap on done. And that's it. As you can see, from now on this brand new wallpaper is covering both your home and also lock screen. Actually, it's not applied for your lock screen, so let's enter it one more time. And here at the bottom of the list you've got set both, so you need to tap on set both to cover also lock screen with this picture. And that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.